Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss real numbers, class 10, exercise 1.5, problem number 4. In the previous video, we have seen how to expand the logarithms using x and y values. In this session, we are going to discuss same type of problems, that is expand the logarithms. Click this I button to learn introduction to real numbers and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Exercise 1.5, fourth problem. Expand the following. First one, log 1000. Second one, log 128 by 625. Third one, log x square into y cube into z power 4. Fourth one, log p square into q cube by r power 4. Fifth one, log square root of x cube by y square. For all these problems, we can use product rule and quotient rule and power rule we have to apply. We can apply the power rule, product rule and quotient rule. We can expand this all problems. Let us discuss the problems. First one it is log 1000. So here log 1000. So here base is invisible. So base is invisible means we need to take base as a 10. We need to take base, we have to take invisible base means we need to take base as 10. So here we are taking as base 10. So base 10 means log 1000. This 1000 one we need to write in the power notation. Power notation means first you have to write the powers of 10. So 10 table I am taking 10 ones are 10 means here 1 completed, here 00 as it is. Again 10 table 12 I am taking 10 tens are 100 means 1, 2, 3. In the power notation 1000 how we have to write it? 10 cube we can write. So that equal log 10 power 3. So log 10 power 3. So it is of the form log x power m to the base a. X power m to the base a. X power m to the base a means what type of rule? What type of property that is? That is the power rule. So log x power m to the base a equal, already you know that property is log x power m to the base a equal m log x to the base a. So here what is m? M as we are taking as 3, x 10, base is invisible base means 3 log 10. So log 1000 equal what is the value? 3 log 10. So 3 log 10 here invisible base is 10. So base we are taking as a 10 means log a base a. Log a base a value also we know, that is log a base a value is 1 means 3 into 1 that equal to 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Log 1000 equal 3. So what is the value of log 1000? That value is 3. So first one it is completed. Log 1000 is completed. Now second one, log 128 by 625. It is of the form log x by y. So which property we have to use? Once you have to recall that log x by y means what type of property? So which property we can use? So now you can say take that one, log 128 by 625. It is of the form log x by y. X by y means that is already you know that. So what that is? That is the quotient rule. So log x by y to the base a equal log x to the base a minus log y to the base a, that equal log 128 minus log 625. Here also base, invisible base. Invisible base means we are taking as a 10. Now 128, log 128. 128 one we need to take in the power notation. So 128 power notation, and how we have to take, once you have to check it. 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8. Again 2 table only. 2 32 are 64. Again 2 table. 2 16 are 32. Again 2 table. 2 8s are. Again 2 table. 2 4s are. Again 2 table. 2 2s are. This 625 also have to take 5 table. Last digit is 5. Means we need to take 5 table only. So 5 1s are 5. 1 remained. 5 2s are 10. 2 remained. 5 5s are. Again 5 table only. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are. Again 5 table. 5 5s are. So this 128 power notation, how we have to write it? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 means 2 power 7, and 625 we can write as 5 power 4. We can write 128 equal, we can write in the power notation of 2 power 7. 625 we can write in the power notation of 5 power 4. So now we have to write it log as it is. Log 128 we can write as a 2 power 7 minus here log 625. 625 we can write 5 power 4. So here again it is of the form with what type of rule we have to use here? Product rule or quotient rule, otherwise power rule. Which one we have to use here? Yes, that is power rule we have to use. Log x power m to the base a equal m log x to the base a. M log x to the base a, that equal to m means here 7 log 2 minus here log x power m. M means 4 log 5. So log 128 by 625 value we got it. 7 log 2 minus 4 log 5. This we used here. What type of rules we have used here? X by y and x power n. Log x by y base a equal log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. Power rule, that is log x power m to the base a equal m log x to the base a. This second one also it is completed. Now third one. What is third one? Log x square y cube z power 4. So in this case, what type of property we have to use here? X square y square z power 4. X square y square z power 4 means x y z, x y type, that is product rule. So the third one it is log x square y cube z power 4. So we can use here product rule. What is the product rule? Log xy to the base a. Log xy to the base a equal log x to the base a plus log y to the base a, that equal x y z here. Means we need to take one more also we need to take. Log xy to the base, log xyz to the base a equal log x to the base a plus log y to the base a plus log z to the base a also we need to take. Means here we are getting log x square, x means x square plus log y cube plus here one more, that is log z power 4. Once you have to observe here log x square plus log y cube plus log z power 4. So each term how it is the model? Log x power n to the base a. Here base is invisible base, means we are taking as a 10, already you know that. So power rule, log x power m to the base a equal m log x to the base a. M log x to the base a. So here m means in the first one log x square in m means 2 log x plus log y cube. Y cube means here m value is 3 means 3 log y plus here log z power 4. Z power 4 means m value is 4 log z. So here log x square y cube z power 4 equal what we got here 2 times of log x plus 3 times of log y plus 4 times of log z we got it. So here this third one also completed. Dear students, if you are watching first time of my video, subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Now fourth one, that is log p square q cube by r power 4. What type of rule we need to use here? Recall once, that is fourth one, log p square q cube by r power 4. Here it is of the form x by y, log x by y. So what is the property here we can use? So that is coefficient property we have to use. So log x by y to the base a equal log x to the base a minus log y to the base a, that equal log, here numerator we are taking as a x, denominator we are taking as a y. So numerator what is there, the total we need to take means p square into q cube minus log y by z, log y to base a, y to the base a means log r power 4 we can get, r power 4. So up to this is as it is only we need to take this one again one property. So what type of property we have to use here? Yes, that is product rule. So log xy to the base a equal log x to the base a plus log y to the base a, that equal log p square plus log q cube minus log r power 4, log p square plus log q cube minus log r power 4. So again here one more property. What type of property we have to use here? So that is power rule we have to use. What is the power rule? You know that. Yes, that is log x power m to the base a equal m log x to the base a. So now here up to here only I am applying power rule. So up to here I am applying means log p square. Here what is m? 2 as a m means log p we can get. Plus here plus as it is. Now log q cube you can apply the power rule for log q cube means we can get 3 log cube minus as it is log r power 4. Now again we need to apply the power rule only, that is 4 log r. Once you have to see here what is our question, log p square into q cube by r power 4 equal what we got it, 2 times of p plus 3 times of q minus 4 times of r we got it. That is fourth one. Now last one, that is log x cube, log under root x cube by y square. So here we need to use exponents also we have to use here. So fifth one it is log square root of x cube by y square. Already we know the exponent rules. Nth root a, what is the rule of nth root a equal a power 1 by n, or square root a means that is a power 1 by 2. So here it is of the form square root of x cube by y square, means we need to take a power 1 by 2 type we need to take. Now that equal log x cube by y square whole power 1 by 2. Whole power 1 by 2. So it is of the form a by b whole power m. So a by b whole power m, what is the formula here? A power m by b power m. Like that you have to write it log as it is, log x cube whole power 1 by 2 by y square whole power 1 by 2. Again it is of the form exponent form only, that is a power m whole power n. A power m whole power n, that equal a power mn, that equal log x power 3 into 1 by 2 by y power 2 into 1 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Means what we got it here, once you have to say log x as it is. Here numerator we need to multiply, denominator only. 3 into 1 3 by 2 by y. So log x power 3 by 2 by y we got it. Here once you have to observe again, here log x by y model, what type of property that is? Quotient property we can use. So log x by y to the base a equal log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. This is the quotient property. Now you have to apply that equal log x power 3 by 2 minus log, here y means y only, log y. Again for first one log x power 3 by 2. So it is, we can use here power rule or not. So log x power m model, log x power m, what is the formula? M log x means 3 by 2 log x minus log y. So log under root x cube by y square equal, we got it here, 3 by 2 log x minus log y. If you have any clarification on this topic, do comment in the comment box. We have seen how to expand the logarithms by using power rule and quotient rule, product rule. In the next video, we will see very important topic for 4 marks, that is, if x square plus y square equal 25xy, then show that 2 times of log x plus y equal 3 times of log 3 plus log x plus log y. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.